My name is Narendra Joshi. My age is 60 years old. I am coordinator of Thane Chai Mercy Center Dignity Foundation. On 3rd September, Friday, in room, I fell down. That time, my son was also gone out of state. And I was not in a position to even stand. So my all legs and all was crumbled like anything. And I got a knowledge that something has happened, untoward incident has taken place. So that I was not stand up. And then what happened, I was calling my son. But unfortunately what happened, he has not kept his keys with him. And keys were at home only. That was one of the most trouble problem. Then by ringing and ringing, I gone up to the room, opened the door. Then my son came and with his friends, I told him that let me go to Pinnacle Hospital, which I have a familiar relation with Pinnacle Hospital because our member, Pramodini Vaidya, is the son, Sandeep is his son. So I contacted Sandeep sir. I told that, sir, such things has happened. He told me, oh, don't worry. You come immediately to the hospital. Should I send ambulance to you? I told, no need. My son has a car and we will come. And you see, they were waiting me on the gate. Then they have taken me to X-ray room. X-ray was taken out and Yogesh sir told me that, oh, don't worry, Kaka. I will discharge you within 3 days. And tomorrow I will be operative. Immediately they shifted me in the cabin. Then my all formalities was going on. The sonography, blood test, everything, ECG, everything. And on Saturday, they have taken me on the operation theatre. Surgery was performed and after that, I came back to my cabin. And on Monday morning, they told me that you are going to discharge tomorrow only, today only. This was really a miracle in my life. Within 72 hours, I got such a fantastic and great treatment from this Pinnacle Hospital that I will never going to lose this opportunity. And I will even propagate to my members and those my well-wishers that this is the hospital where I have been treated in 72 hours. So I am thankful to all the staff. They were giving me service just like my family members because my son was coming, his friends were coming, but they were giving me a very familiar treatment. Thanks to Dr. Yogesh, thanks to Sandeep sir, all the staffs of Pinnacle and all, including from X-ray, from physician, everything. I'm really salute them and I'm grateful to them. Thank you very much.